loppy. That's a loppy cam, Kev. Hold on. One more time. I got wet on that one. This thing is sick. Nice paint job too. So they painted everything but the interior of the bed.
Yep.
I found a chip. Look at that. Nice rims.
Those rims suck. I got rims downstairs for it.
All right. Well, they're fine for now.
Those look good though.
Yeah, he did a great. I'm looking at it right now. Yeah, he did a great job.
I'm getting it blacked out.
What do you mean? The tint?
Yep. Black.
Look at that. Oh, dude, the front end looks freaking pissy, dude. That is awesome. Look at that. Shining from every angle. I love that grill. You can't beat that grill.
That grill sucks. I'm getting a new one.
You're gonna get a new everything? I'm getting a new everything. I'm gonna get a new everything. Now see what.
Diesel.
How come this didn't cover?
Yeah.
How come this didn't cover?
I don't care about this. This is going. I'm getting a phone call induction hood.
Oh, we're gonna change the hood too. So the truck, as you see it now, it sucks. It just sucks. That's all there is to it. Sucks.